Good morning, good morning, good morning. Actually, good afternoon, I should say. It's almost 12. It is exactly 11:47 a.m. on the 22nd of August. If you can hear the mixer being switched on right now in the kitchen, it's because it is literally switched on. I couldn't have breakfast today because yesterday I threw up really terribly. The tea is not suiting me at all these days. ये धागा कहाँ से आ गया है मेरे सर में, मेरे बाल में? I think dress का होगा. And I tried to have eggs today with some more tea and I was feeling vomity again, so I stopped having breakfast. I have an event to go to and I obviously didn't want to go khali pet because I have to have breakfast medicines, post breakfast medicines. And so Parukala is making me some orange juice. Orange juice santra. What is Mosambi? What is Mosambi? What is Mosambi? Why am I blanking? Mosambi? What's Mosambi in English? Wow, tell me in the comments because my pregnancy brain is not braining. I am doing my hair first. I washed my hair yesterday and I get really excited after I wash my hair these days because I have been air straightening my hair. My god, you guys, if there is one device from Dyson that you need to get your hands on for your hair, it has to be the air straight. This is not sponsored. I did receive it in PR though, I have to mention. It is so good. It is so good. It takes your hair from wet to dry and straight in no time. However, little Miss Anam, because she was nauseous yesterday and unwellish yesterday and slept through most of the day, didn't realize that she came out of the shower and landed up going to sleep with wet hair, and so my hair just basically air dried, which is why it's looking a little bit more wavy than usual. This is not even my natural wavy. This is much more than my natural wavy. I'm using the Kerastase Smooth Heat Protect. I really like this. Another option that I have over here is the Bare Anatomy one. आ सकते हो अभी पीऊँ? शक्कर डाले क्या? मेरे मुंह का टेस्ट पूरा का पूरा ऐसे like खराब हो गया आजकल. Suddenly the light has changed. I don't know what happened. Thank you. Orange juice gives me joy these days. I've always liked orange juice, but I'm liking it even more right now. My hair is really frizzy and there are a few products that are really coming to my aid. Should I do a shorts on this or should I just mention them here because they are from like different brands? I am loving the BBlunt Keratin range of shampoo and conditioner right now. It smells so good. It makes me feel so good in the shower, like the way it washes things off. Even the mask is really nice. That's what I washed my hair with yesterday. I can link a few of these products actually that I'm about to mention down below in the description section, and if you still want me to do a shorts with like mini review style, let me know. Aajkal na mere se, this is gonna be a very chatty intro as usual, because I have so many thoughts and things I want to share with you. Aajkal mere se zyada short form content shoot nahi ho raha hai because on the days that I'm actually doing a little bit of glam, I'm stepping out for events and stuff, and on the other days I'm not necessarily glamming as often. Meri energy ke dips are very physically feelable are very physically clear to me these days. Like I'm very noticeably, not feelable perhaps, my god, my English has gone for a toss. I am very noticeably tired and lethargic so often. It's coming and going in phases, TBH. It's not like it's super consistent or it stays for long or whatever. When it kicks in, it kicks in. One of the things I have however been doing is finding so much joy in editing all my, you know, like older vlogs, first trimester vlogs and stuff. I will not be sharing my second trimester content till I'm in my third trimester because kahin na kahin mujhe usse thoda sa, I know I said ke and I feel in general ke nazar, but then positive juju beats nazar, but mujhe डांट पड़ रही है घर पे कि इतना नहीं शेयर करो. Apart from which in general I think कि ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मुझे वो नज़र का डर लगने लगा है, not for me but for the child. I'm feeling those kinds of emotions जहाँ पे खुद के लिए आप इतना नहीं सोचते हो but बेबी के लिए आप सोचने लग रहे हो. So that's kind of where my mind is at. I guess this is what switching into parent mode early parent mode feels like. I have been reading and watching so many videos around birth, around handling a newborn. My friends are talking to me about whether or not I should book a jhapa in advance. A jhapa is basically like an ayah, someone who will live with me potentially for 40 days or 2 months, however long I book her for, and will help me look after the baby and will look after me also with like malishes and stuff. but I'm not very keen on like a live-in papa. I feel like I want to have someone freelance who will come and do the massages for us, for baby and me. And yet at the same time, I don't want someone to live in, because I feel like when it comes to the things like the late nights and the early mornings and you know the what they call the frustrating newborn period, I actually want to go through that. I don't want somebody to take the child and take care of the child in that period, but because a baby is a newborn only for 8 weeks, you know what I mean, that chotu phase will only happen once in life, and I just want to be around the baby as much as possible in that phase. I don't want somebody else doing my work for me. That's kind of where my mind is at. Jerry is also very in my support, and he wants to be a very hands-on dad. He's like, no, I also want to do diaper changes, and this is something we've talked about and dreamed about, and we don't want somebody else to do it. So that's currently where our minds are at. If my mind changes in a couple of months, if the third trimester becomes tough on me, then I don't know. But फिलहाल के लिए तो हम यही सोच रहे हैं. I'm doing badbad over here, but it's 11:53 a.m. now, and I have to reach All Saints in car for an event by 12:30. They've said please be on time because it's a master class and all that. I'll tell you what the event is about once I'm there. तो मैं थोड़ा सा अपना फटाफट करती हूँ, बड़बड़ कम करती हूँ, तो ये थोड़ा सा जल्दी जाएगा, and we'll catch up with you from the event. I shouldn't have curled my hair. This is a longer process. I should have just quietly straightened my hair. वो फटाफट हो जाता. Okay, Bia.
When I was 5, I saw the rain fall from the sky and wondered if the clouds get sad, 'cause why else would they cry? Now I'm older and I'm wondering less and less, and every day goes passing by just like the next. When you see everything there is to see, do everything there is to do, when nothing's left for you to look forward to. You don't know that every time you look at me with those eyes, everything inside my head goes blank.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, good morning. I just had some nariyal pani. Now I'm gonna have some poha. I have a birthing and labor workshop today, which I will not get into in this vlog because I'm vlogging those snippets for my pregnancy dedicated vlogs, but today is pretty much just gonna be that, and if I get some time, admin work a little bit later. Poha time.
No, why not? Take a forward bend. Hands down. Exhaling. Round your spine.
Hi, this is one of those days where I come in feeling like an absolutely terrible vlogger, because the last time I connected with you or over here in this vlog was like Friday, and today is Monday. On Saturday, I basically spent half the day doing a lot of admin work, and then I spent the rest of the day sleeping. I was really just a little bit downish. My BP has been a little bit up and down, and I've been feeling a little bit just, lethargy has kicked in kind of a thing. I guess I'm going to keep going through those phases through the course of this pregnancy. Even yesterday, I just kind of took it easy, rested a lot, slept a lot, and because my night sleep is so disturbed, I'm trying to catch a nap on the days that I can. Today, Monday, I initially thought I would shoot, but then I do have 2 fixed shoots happening tomorrow and day after, so I decided to preserve my energy. Spent the day doing admin work, had a yoga class in the morning. I had a couple of calls with clients to knock off, so I got all of that done. I still have some more admin work pending, but I'm prioritizing this one here, who has, by the way, started moving a lot more. I can feel so much more movement these days. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. And I am going to Katalog for a walk. In the evenings, Jerry and I try and take a walk on our terrace, but today I was just in the mood for something different. Today is also kind of like a chutti. The team is also off today because today is Janmashtami, and I thought that we would go to Kata Road, walk a little bit over there. I haven't seen my mom in a while. My mamu is in town, and my mom has been splitting time between going to my mamu and my nani. My mamu's flown down to take care of my nani as well, like to help her out. Apart from which, my mum is also really busy with her very close friend's son's wedding, so like helping her prep and all of that. She's going to be traveling, we're going to be traveling for a bit in the middle, so she's just trying to get everything done before we are going to be traveling. That is at least the current plan. The tickets have finally been booked. I'm very, very excited. And while I'm very excited, I'm also a little bit nervous because I'm traveling knowing that I'm pregnant for the first time. Of course, Mridul's wedding doesn't count. That was too early. We didn't even know that we were pregnant at that time. I was in month 1. And yeah, I just wanted to change in scenario. So going for a walk, we'll go meet my mom after since she's free today. 5:30 she has a majlis, so once she gets done with the majlis, I'll also finish taking a walk, and then I'll figure and space out my admin tasks that are pending over the next few days. It's so funny for me to leave admin tasks deliberately pending for other days, because I'm someone who likes to like go tick 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 tick. I'm like a proper admin hustler girl like that when I'm in the zone, but I'm consciously doing it because I think that my movement, my walking, getting in my steps, just really finding that working towards that work-life balance is very important. I've also kind of come to terms with the fact that post-delivery there is going to be time, and God knows how much time, where I'm really going to take it slow. So just kind of trying to find my own pace in the middle of all the chaos. You can talk.
I'm so excited.
So nice to meet you.
Can I take picture with
Of
you?
course.